You may be aware that the Jewish community is known for their wealth. Discover 5 ancient Jewish laws that can help you build prosperity. Law number 1. The law of Sedaka emphasizes the importance of giving to others as a fundamental duty rather than just charity. Generosity can lead to blessings and prosperity, creating a cycle of abundance and fostering trust within the community. Law number 2. The law of Shabbat highlights the significance of rest for productivity. Taking a day off can rejuvenate the mind and body, enhancing overall effectiveness and enabling better decision-making throughout the week. Law number 3. The law of kashrut stresses the importance of discipline in daily habits, such as following dietary laws. This discipline can translate to better self-control in financial and personal matters, ultimately leading to improved resource management and long-term success. Law 4. The law of gratitude is a powerful concept. Recognizing and appreciating what you have can attract more positivity and opportunities. Shifting your focus from lack to abundance encourages a mindset that sees potential and growth. Law 5. The law of study emphasizes continuous learning and wisdom as foundations of wealth. Investing time in learning ensures growth and adaptability. Knowledge from ancient texts offers insights and principles that remain relevant and beneficial today. By embracing these timeless laws, you align yourself with principles that have sustained and prospered communities for centuries. Wealth encompasses more than money. It involves living a balanced and meaningful life. Start integrating these enduring laws into your life today to unlock lasting prosperity